Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Teen Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Dhurandhar box office collection. Ranveer Singh share near 750 crore net after a record-breaking fifth week. Whether Dhurandhar crosses rupees 800 crore net or not will depend on whether it can manage to collect post-release of Border 2 weeks from now, by Jitinder Singh, published on 9 January 2026. Thriller closed its fifth week at rupees 47 crore net approx, talking its total box office collections in India to rupees 748 crore net approx. The film took the fifth weekend record during the weekend itself and has now taken the new record almost 70% higher than the previously. Ranveer Singh Taylor became the biggest Hindi film of all time during the fifth week. Dhurandhar held steadily on the weekdays with minimal drops. The fifth Thursday was around rupees 4 crore net, which gives it a good base to collect in the next week as well. It will face competition from the Raja Saab Hindi, but that is not expected to prove a significant challenge to it. The film is poised to cross rupees 750 crore net today on its sixth Friday. It will be somewhere in the 780s or 790s by the end of the next 2 weeks. Whether it crosses rupees 800 crore net or not will depend on whether it can manage to collect post-release of Border 2 weeks from now. Thriller has emerged as the most watched original Hindi film theatrically in the post-pandemic era with around 3.30 crore tickets sold, overtaking Qatar 2. While the collections are far ahead of the rest of Bollywood films, the difference is not that much in terms of footfalls. Apart from a higher contribution from multiplexes, the film had maintained enhanced ticket prices throughout its run, unlike most other films which reduced their prices second Monday onwards. Dhurandhar has finally lowered its prices this week. The film is likely to cross 3.50 crore footfalls, though surpassing the 3.70 crore footfalls of Dangal to become the most watched original Hindi film of the last 25 years looks slightly challenging. The box office collection of Dhurandhar in India are as follows: T and net. Week 1 rupees 196.50 crore, week 2 rupees 241 crore, week 3 rupees 162 crore, week 4 rupees 101 crore. Fifth Friday rupees 8.25 crore, fifth Saturday rupees 11 crore, fifth Sunday rupees 12.25 crore, fifth Monday rupees 4 crore, fifth Tuesday rupees 4.25 crore, fifth Wednesday rupees 3.75 crore, fifth Thursday rupees 3.75 crore, total rupees 747.75 crore. Average Bollywood box office classification 2025, 8 hits and 15 successes render biggest hit of the year. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a